just listening within 5 seconds, hearing the sound quality of those pops, and you know something about rifles, you could have made with a great deal, 99% plus accuracy, that this was an assassination attempt. So anyone who knows anything about rifles, hear the pops, and within 5 seconds, you know that this is an assassination attempt, likely from someone up high from a distance away. Right? It takes 5 seconds if you know something about rifles. 5 seconds to know this is an assassination attempt. Right? When I looked at the New York Times 6 hours after the assassination attempt, it didn't talk about the assassination attempt. It came with the most lame headline that said Trump hurt, but he's fine. Right? In a shooting at his rally. Right? The most watered down language that you could possibly find is the New York Times story on this. It was just a perpetual thread that the New York Times just wanted to make it as boring as possible, and the news media, and they're still doing it today. And I'll just point out example after example of where they're still trying to render this story as boring as possible. Right? Donald Trump's just been shot. CBS News anchor Margaret Brennan attacks Donald Trump for not urging calm after he was shot.